no stunt, boy. That nigga is silly. Hoes on my dick cause I look like Jesus. Young bass guy coming straight with the heater. That nigga fucked up, boy.
That's why I was like, what he be on? Like, what the fuck this nigga? That nigga do it for you want to do, man.
Sheen, winning swag. That nigga just be saying stuff. Yeah, man, it's just life right here, man.
I got
just
life.
Motherfucking
instrumental and shit. I'm
life of a rapper.
No, that shit. What the fuck, man? Like, shit, I just pressed something. Niggas is not gonna be able to fast forward this shit.
It opens up a world of possibilities.
Are we live? Hold on, man. They say that nigga got work again. Hey. They say that nigga got work again. What up? Come on phone. Come on phone. Hey, got a thick bitch with me. Tell her keep her distance. When she started getting the text, you know I keep it straight, man. Need a fucking straight jacket. Bust the coat, got the package. Then I split it with my brothers. It's sleazy, man. I'm the illest motherfucker. Whip up. Like a chef, nigga. Whip up, nigga. We gon' cook it with the left, nigga. Know my swag, homie. Put the money in the bag, homie. All these hoes, they just ask for me. Tell these hoes count the cash for me. Tell these hoes get the bags for me. Tell these hoes go and cook some food. You know the sleazy man, a fucking fool. I don't shake hands, who the fuck is you? I'm a real boy. Same nigga back in school, boy. Same nigga hold shoes, boy. I'm a winner, you just lose, boy.
Hey, I can hang you on the news, boy. Don't wanna play, I got a tool, boy. Hey, me, I act a fool, boy. Hey, man, I can play it so cool, boy. Hey, my pay no, boy. Why what I do, boy? Mine gon' lose, boy. Hey, yeah, I stay up on my grizzly. Gotta get the chips to stay shitty. Hey, and I'm the man in my city. Hey, Loud got a nigga lifted. Like John Legend, I'm gifted. Hey, $200 bills I'm sifting. Hey, the rap game I came to shift it. Hey, hear these lyrics, they pounding through the speakers. How we
Hey, we got that 60 all one time, man. Little bitch.